Vroom vroom. Welcome back to Cool Rides in New England. Today we are back at the Vermont Lake Region's Chamber of Commerce car show in Fairhaven, Vermont. Today we've got a bunch of great cars to look at, so let's get into it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with all your friends and neighbors. First car we're looking at here is a Pontiac 2+2. It's a 1966. This started out as a Catalina option. In 65 it went standalone. 65 it was an option on Catalina. 66 it was a standalone model. And 67 it went back to a Catalina option. So this is a really nice, I think it was a 402 it said on the side, for engine, or maybe a 421. Next to that, we've got this modern Challenger. It's a nice looking Challenger indeed. We're taking a look at a late 60s. This is a 68, 9, somewhere in there, Corvette. This is the beginning of the C3 platform for the Corvettes. It is still called a Stingray. Really nice body lines on this. Great looking car. '66 Ford Fairlane 500 XL. I love the rims that the owner put on this car. It's a great red color, like the all the other cars in this particular section of the show. Very well done interior. Really gorgeous '66 Fairlane. I have a Mustang GT. It's a 60, I think it's a 66. It's a nice early first-gen Mustang. And I've said it before, but I love the seats in these that have the Mustang, the horses and the, and you can see it right there. And it's really a cool option or aftermarket, however that might be. And definitely a cool GT. Now we're looking at a third-gen Camaro. This is a Z28 T-top automatic car. Don't know what it's got for an engine, but it's either going to be a 5-liter 305 or a 350. Love those hoods on those Camaros. 68 Pontiac GTO. Very nice black car. I love the rims on it. I love the gated, I don't know if it's a gated shifter, but a really cool shifter on it. Great looking 68. And here is it's an early 50s MG TD. This car, as you can see by the plate, is a South Carolina car. The owner has a place up here, and he drove it, or trucked it up here, because he said it's a lot more fun to drive here than it is down there where the roads aren't as nice and twisty turny. We have a Jag XJS. 87, I believe. It's an XJ6, not XJS. XJ6. I could either get the XJ6 or the XJ12, 6-cylinder or 12-cylinder. Quintessential early 80s or mid 80s Jaguar. We're looking at an S10. This is definitely a drag truck. You can see by the tubbed fenders in the back, wheel wells I should say. the external gas tank. Paint job is fantastic. Love the grill on this as well. And a nice big V8 that's sitting underneath the hood there. Great looking truck. And I've got a 71, 72, somewhere in there, Pontiac GTO. This, in my opinion, is I would say is a survivor car, or maybe it was a barn find. It is very original looking. You can see from the interior, all original there as well. Great color combo of orange and white. We're looking at a Grand Prix GTP. GTP was the top of the line sport package that you could get on the this era of Grand Prix. There's a GTP, and what makes this so special is that supercharger that's sitting right on top of that engine. It's the 3800 engine that's supercharged, and those were really fast for the time. 1970 Challenger RT. It looks a lot like the convertible that was in the Rave car show, but this is a hardtop. Rear wheels of rear end's been tubbed. You can see the roll bar there. Great looking car, and I'm talking with the owner. He went with the white top. It originally was a black top, but he thought it looked kind of odd with the white stripes, so he ended up putting a white vinyl top on the top of this one instead of the original black. Here we got a couple Mustangs. This is a Fox body, 5-liter convertible, red with white and red interior. It's a later one because it's got the airbag. Nice looking Mustang there, and then we've got almost its newer twin. This is red with black rather than red with white, but still is the great interior on this, and convertible top as well. Nice looking Mustang. Now we're looking at this, I believe, is an Austin Morris, but I can't remember exactly what the owner had said on this one. But there's definitely street rotted out. Look at the engine that's underneath the hood there. Very cool. And here we have a Volkswagen Beetle. This is from the Rave car show, so I don't go much into that one. And we go right into another Beetle. This is a 69. Really nice interior on it, really nice exterior as well. A great looking little bug. '66 Chevelle SS. Love the dash and the interior in this car. Looks quite comfy. And that hood. Now we're looking at a Buick Grand National. This was from one of the Relay for Life videos, so take a look at that for more on that car. Now we are looking at a Model A Roadster. Nicely redone interior here. Paint's really nice. I like the flames that were on the front, and those exhaust pipes there look really nice on this car. 1957 Ford Fairlane. You can see there an aftermarket 8-track player. 8-track players, I do remember from another video that I did, were not options this far back. It was mid-60s when those became options. Thunderbird V8 underneath the hood there. Classy looking car. And the next two cars are both from the Relay for Life show. This is Gen 1, late Gen 1 Corvette, and then we've got a 58 Impala Sports Coupe. And now we're looking at, this is a Ford military Jeep. This is a little bit bigger, wider, because it is a half-ton version. This is a Ford, not a Willys or anything like that. So a little bit bigger and a little bit more capable to take care of that with that quarter ton, or a quarter or half ton. See there, this guy really has done his work nicely. Shovel, the stretcher, the faux M16, you got the helmets and all this stuff. Really, really nicely done up. Ford Jeep, military Jeep, really nice. Now we're looking at an 82 Mustang. This is also from the Rave Show, but I liked it enough that we took another look at it here. This owner traded in, I don't know if you caught it, he traded in a 79 Mercury Capri for this car. Ended up paying a little under $6,000 total after his trade-in. He said these things all original, hasn't really done much to it, a few upgrades to the electronics, back rear seat delete. Other than that, it's just the way he bought it. Different steering wheel, of course, but the majority of it is just the way he bought it. It's a very, very clean Fox body. Now we're going to take a look at this 1966, I believe, Chevy 2 Nova SS. Very clean under the hood. Paint's really clean, really nice looking exterior. And that keeps going right onto the interior. Really nice interior as well. And the final car for this video is going to be this Dodge Challenger RT Shaker. It's a shaker because it's got a functional shaker hood on it. And there's your shaker. Nice looking Challenger. Thank you for watching this third video of the Vermont Lake Region's Chamber of Commerce car show. We will be back in a couple of days with another video from Stowe, and then final video for this will be up in about 4 days or so, and then we'll be moving on to yet another one of the shows that we have. So as I said in the beginning, please like this video, share it with your friends and neighbors, and also subscribe so that you can be notified when new videos come out. We are on Facebook, we are on Twitter, we are on Instagram, we have a blog, we have Pinterest. Oh gosh, got to be other things, but all that information will either be here or down in the description, so check that stuff out. Have yourself a great night.